All right, welcome to Doozer Shop. I got my Russian vise on the planer, and I'm going to set up for a job here. So I've got these, let me flip the camera real quick so I can see what I'm doing. I got these big parallels. These are 9.5 inches. So, and this is a 10-inch Russian vise. So I'm going to stack these in here and here, and I've got a whole I've got a whole bunch of these parallels. I got them on eBay, and I might have 4 or 5 sets of these big 9.5. Oh, sorry. That's just a piece of, you know, aluminum kind of bracket. It's got a bandsaw cut on that side, a bandsaw finish. So I'm going to pop it in the vise here and crank her down. Put the gronk on it. Oh yeah, these parallels are nice and tight. So let's spin around. Let me turn on both my rotary phase converters. Roll on 1, roll on 2. All right, we're generating 12 horsepower. So let me move this up, because boy oh boy, I don't want to crash this thing. All right, I'm gonna make sure my overarm is locked, which it is now. I think that'll pass. So let me turn on the works. It's gonna get loud. It's hey, the sideways head. It's gonna get loud. If you can't hear me, just kind of watch. All right, we're gonna turn on the planer. We're gonna let it run for a second to get the oil up in the table. We'll adjust everything and take some cuts. Here we go. Oh, I just noticed something. That's gonna hit, right? That's gonna hit. So we gotta take that out of play. These things are dangerous, man. So I'm gonna take this. Okay, that'll clear. That should clear. I gotta roll it into position. All right, let me put you kind of back there. All right, we're gonna power up the pump, and we'll get this thing at least set up in position. Beautiful. All right, let me exercise the volume control lever. Flow volume. All right, let me engage the motion of the table and bring up the flow. Come on, flow. Come on, flow. All right. All right, now bring down the cutter. Ooh, wrong one. And bring over the cutter. And I need to set my table stops really, but let's see what it does. move that one forward. So let me adjust this one. All right, try that again. Let me move it right in position. Alright, that should be okay. Alright, contact. Now let me move this guy. Tight. Alright. Alright, now I should do the Harlem Shuffle. For now, we're going to come down. I'm advancing the tool down. Maybe I'm going up. Maybe I'm going up. Let's go down. Yes, I was going up. Hey, first chip. Speed it up a little. Power feed going. I want to go this way. Alright, and I want to go this way. It takes a second. I got to learn all this stuff here. Is it going the right way? Yes. Yes. Look at that! All right. Let me lock you down here. Doesn't seem to be focused. Let me do that. And maybe, you dirty, rotten piece of garbage. Here, let's do this. Get out of there. Oop, fast. pretty good. It's only aluminum, but I'll set you back in the holder. I'm excited. That's very cool. Alright, we're gonna pause. Wow. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. All right, well, as fun as that was, I hope you enjoyed the little planer demonstration. Got my new to me vise on there, and yeah, I'm taking some cuts and experimenting and having fun. So I hope you enjoyed this as well. Until next time, this is Doozer's Shop.